changing out this hose bib. Bed handle is missing. This is all jacked up. So it was leaking the other day. We were able to get it turned off. We're going to switch it out for a new one though. Bang, bang. So I'm hoping I can just pull this thing all the way out, and because I believe it's connected to a PEX pipe on the inside. And sometimes plumbers are nice and they put a little loop in there so that when you have to do a future repair, you can just pull this thing out of the wall, make a cut, slap a new one on, shove it back in there, call it good. Doesn't really feel like it's gonna pull all the way up. Alright. Down into the crawl space we go. Where's all this water coming from? You know, it's probably just old from probably when someone did the repairs before in the past. Could be. Alright, anyways, let's crawl to where we need to go. I got the camera upside down, but it's filming right side up. That way you guys can kind of see where I'm going. Let's go this way. Thankfully, it's a good crawl space. Alright. Get a little low for that. Gotta squeeze underneath the air duct. Okay, there we are. Sorry guys, I had to see this face of mine. There you go. Okay. Shoot. Alright, let's see if I can squeeze between the joists here. Okay. So, it's not PEX, it's polybutylene. You know, it's that old school gray poly pipe. Hopefully you guys can see that. Needs a special kind of coupling for this because we got PEX and we got this gray poly. So, if you can see that, see how they're different. Put this ring on. Let's actually give this thing a better cut. There we go. Alright. Make sure we put the right side in. There we go. Using a side pinch ring. You can use either one. You can use the regular crimp rings or the side pinch. Should be fine. Let's make sure that pinched right. Should be good. Alright, and then we're gonna take this guy here. We're actually going to cut some of the slack out of here. Let's go to here. Leave a little slack for future fixes for the next person that has to fix this stuff. Nice and straight. Okay, we got the water back on. Oh, shoot, watch my step. Alright. Gotta make sure there ain't no leaks. Army roll. Ugh. No leaks. Awesome. It's good. It's good. So you have to see all that ugliness. There's no leaks. I'll have to come back through here and strap this up. Old hose bib. New hose bib. Let's tighten that up a little more. There you go. Good. It's one of those frost freeze, so it'll drain out.